Have you ever felt like you're wearing a mask, like hiding a part of yourself to fit in to please others? What if I told you that stepping into what you truly are, living authentically, could transform your life? Imagine a life where you're free to express your thoughts, true passions, and genuine personality. Today, we're diving deep into why living authentically is the most powerful thing you can do to improve your happiness, relationships, and overall quality of life. Stick around because this might be the permission you've been waiting for to finally be you. Let's start by talking about authenticity. At its core, authenticity means being your true self, living in alignment with your values, your beliefs, and your unique personality. Even when it's hard, it's shredding that mask and allowing your inner self to shine through everything you do. And I know sometimes being authentic can be real risky. We live in a world that often pressures us to conform, to act in a certain way, to be what others want us to be. But by embracing authenticity, we unlock the incredible power within ourselves, a power that can radically change our lives. Why should we live authentically? Because the benefits are absolutely life-changing. Living authentically improves your mental well-being because you're no longer suppressing who you are. When you align with your true self, you reduce the stress and anxiety that come from pretending. Authentic people tend to be more satisfied, less likely to burn out, and the kind of experience of happiness that feels grounded and real. Another incredible benefit is in your relationships. When you're truly authentic, you naturally attract people who genuinely appreciate you. Think about it. When you show up as your real self, you're inviting people into your life who love you for who you are, not for some version of you that isn't real. This leads to stronger, deeper connections and a support system that sees the values in the real you. It's all about creating a life that aligns with who you are at the core. So how can you start living more authentically if you're not quite there yet? Here are 5 powerful steps that can help you along the way. 1. Know yourself. Start by reflecting on what truly matters to you. This could be your values, your passions, your beliefs, and the things that make you excited to get up in the morning. 2. Journaling and daily self-reflection can be a powerful way to uncover these truths. Spending time alone and ask yourself, what do I really care about? The more clarity you have about who you are, the easier it is to become and live authentically. Number 3, accept yourself authentically. This is impossible if you're always trying to change yourself to fit an ideal. Embrace who you are, flaws and all. Remember, nobody's perfect, and those imperfections are what make you unique. When you accept yourself fully, you free yourself from the need to seek validation from others. 4, express yourself openly. Now this step can be challenging, but also incredibly freeing. Start expressing your true thoughts and feelings, even if it feels a little bit uncomfortable at first. Whether it's sharing your opinion in a meeting or just being honest with a friend. Each moment you choose to be real strengthens your ability to live authentically. And yes, it takes courage to do this, but every time you show up as yourself, you're building a foundation of authenticity. 5. Set boundaries. Living authentically means you respect yourself enough to set boundaries. This might be saying no to things that don't align with who you are, or protecting your time so you can pursue what truly matters to you. Boundaries aren't walls. They're lines that define what's important to you. Setting these boundaries is an act of self-love and self-respect. And if it reinforces your authenticity, that's where you want to be. So to live authentically is to live in a way that honors your true self. You get to enjoy happiness, build meaningful relationships, and find fulfillment. Authenticity is the key to a more genuine and enriched life. It's about breaking free from the fear of judgment, the pressure to conform, and the burden of pretending. It's about living life on your terms, as your most honest self. If this message resonates with you, I encourage you to start taking small steps toward a more authentic life today. Start by sharing in the comments the one thing you want to be more authentic about. Let's build a community here that celebrates true authentic living. And if you found this video helpful, please make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new video on how to live your best self. Together, let's make authenticity a new norm. Thanks for watching, and remember, live true, be you.